Hello, and thank you for joining in. Not often do I get very excited when I buy a bit of magnet, and this is exactly what this video is all about. It's why these little magnets is making me very productive. So hello, my name is Uzair, and thanks for joining in. As you know, most of my videos are all about marketing and Google ads, YouTube, and so on. But productivity is a big part when it comes to working, especially when you're traveling. I travel quite a lot, and I'm used to my three screen setup on my desk. When I'm traveling, I don't have that luxury. I only have my MacBook. So from going from three screens to one screen, I find it really frustrating and tedious and time consuming, because I feel that I'm being productive 1/3 of what I should be working at, or the capacity I should be at. So I came across these little pieces of magnet. I don't know where, but obviously on the internet somewhere, and I looked at it and I thought, this looks interesting. I'm going to buy them. And trust me, this is a game changer when it comes to having multiple screens. So let me show you why I'm so excited about this. So I've got my MacBook, I've got my iPad, and I've got these little bits and pieces of magnets. So I'm gonna separate them out and I'll explain to you what all these are. Now you'll see that there's these bits of magnet stuck on the back of my MacBook as well. And then all I'm going to do is to use my iPad to be the second display, or the secondary display to my MacBook Air. And I can do that very easily by opening these up. So these are stuck, they don't come out. You can take them out, but I just leave them on because I use them all the time. I'll put one of these here, put this other one here. Yeah, the other way around. Okay, I open up my MacBook, and all I do is attach my iPad to my MacBook Air. Now I've got a dual screen display. So all I do is, when I need to take it out, I take out my iPad, and if I want to attach it, I can attach it. I've got one more which I use on the other side. Take this out. I can use it over on the right or the left hand side and attach my iPhone to it. So if you are one of those where you want to have your music on, or some video, or anything you want to watch on your iPhone goes on one side, your iPad goes on the other side, and I've got a complete system which looks like this. I also purchased this little light. So what this does is, when I'm shooting a video, I can attach it on the back of my iPhone and then shoot it. So the other way to do that is like this. I take out my iPhone, and then I can attach this to the back of the over here like that. But obviously I'm using the other way around. I can turn it around as well, like that, and shoot it. So if I've got a meeting Zoom or something like that, and I want to use this as my a webcam, I can use it, and also this little light. I purchased this from a company called Rolling Squares. I'll put the link in the description. It's not an affiliate link, or I've not been paid by this company to make this video, but I made this video because I'm super impressed. The quality of these little magnets is unbelievable, and I would highly recommend that if you are looking for a solution for a dual display, very portable system, then you can use your iPad as a sidecar to your MacBook or MacBook Air, which is very portable and it's not very expensive as well. So thank you very much, Rolling Squares, for creating these. Very impressed with these, and it has made my life a lot easier, especially when it comes to traveling light, which I prefer.